Alright, so I heard you get a lot of views when you do unboxing videos. Will this get me views? What do you think now? Come here. Okay, there we go. Nice, smelling the ray tracing. Ooh, ooh. Okay. So, low effort, unboxing video, whatever. I don't know why people even do this. Like, whoopie do you opening a box, like... Thanks. And I'm already tearing it apart. Good. Now if I drop it, at least it's on video. Maybe that's why people are doing it. Will it come out? There we go. Unfortunate tear. Okay. Calm down, calm down. It's gonna come out soon. In one piece, hopefully. So yeah, 3090 Strix from Asus, and obviously overclocked. Oh dude, this is heavy stuff. Noah, come on. Calm down. It's yeah. It's not a treat. Oh yes, there it is. There it is. 2,000 euros for this. Amazing card, man. Oh yeah, dude, this is the money shot. When you peel these useless tapes. Yes, that's how you do it. That wasn't as ASMR as I thought. It's stuck on here. God damn it! There's some tape left. No. Maybe I should just... Okay, there we go. I was thinking about just leaving it there. Come on, why do they put this on? Like, it's in a protective box anyway. Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna be scummy and I will just leave it. But this one will... Oh, yes. Now that was satisfying. But this one right here... I'm too lazy to pull it out. Whatever. Man, this is actually heavy. Like, now I understand why people are always like, oh, it's so heavy. It really is. Yeah, that's enough of peeling the tapes, whatever. Too lazy. I will slap it in. Hopefully it works. I mean, it should. It's brand new. So yeah, useless unboxing video. Don't know why people are doing this, don't know why people are watching this, but whatever. Oh yeah, by the way, what is this thing here? Okay, I can... I could make a joke about this. Can you focus, stupid cam? Hello? Okay, it doesn't want to focus. Like, I could make a joke about this one. So apparently this is the measuring stick. I guess the people that are buying this, they have this small. So this is enough for them to measure the... you know, I don't need to explain probably, but like why? Maybe this is why it cost 2,000 euros. There's all useless stuff in here. Yep. Cool stuff, 2,000 euros. 3090, whatever. No, can I get high five? Yes, that's right. And that's the end of this video. How do I turn this off? Maybe here?